was sent this plastic scraper set and asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So here goes. Here's what you'll get sent to you. These come in different colors. The ones I picked were orange, and you've got a couple different shapes and sizes here so that you could find exactly the right scraper that you need to get the job done that you've got at hand. So you've got a very wide tip here, like a medium tip on this one here. I think we've got 3 of each. And then you've got a super fine tip here with points. So they're very sharp. It's like a sharpened pencil. And on the back side of that, a scraper as well with a little hook here. So perhaps you're trying to pull some hairs out of a tight spot in a car. If you're detailing it, you can use that to pull on that, clean that out. You can use this to get into those small little nooks and crannies to clean through the seams. This here has another version of that. It's got a little hook to it. So again, very easy to use that pick to get it underneath little small things like a fingernail or anything where you've got to get into a very tight spot. This is plastic, but it's very strong. So you're not going to hurt a lot of materials by scraping with it because it is plastic and the plastic will give, but it's very strong. It's got a definite resilience to it. You can see if I try to bend this, it doesn't want to just bend easily. It's very strong. And now these scrapers here, useful for a lot of things, especially this wider faced one here. Here I've got some double-sided tape. This is always hard to separate the glue from the tape, but if I just use that real thin edge there, I can just lift that right back so easy. So now, and if something like this was stuck on to a piece of metal or onto my counter like this, and I'm trying to get that to come off, and I can't peel it off like this, maybe I'm going to use one of the scrapers here like this to try to come through and then push it from underneath in order to protect it. So lots of things you can do with these. They're very handy and you get a whole bunch of them. So they're easy to replace if you have one get broken or whatnot. So definitely would recommend. These are great for detailing vehicles, for prying open screens. Like if you're taking an iPhone apart, you're taking off those laminated screens, you got to be able to get underneath and pry those up. Good for that as well. All kinds of different uses. Hey, I hope this was helpful. Hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.